I'm so happy to be sharing with you today my healthy granola energy bar recipe that possesses a special ingredient that has the ability to improve the quality of spermatozoa, and it also increases the reproductive performance in males. Hello everyone, my name is Avon and welcome to my channel. I talk about everything concerning healthy living, healthy recipes, wellness, hair care, and for our ingredients, we have 1 cup of oats, half cup of raisins, all in a bowl. Next, we're going to add half cup of dried cranberries. And guess what? Dried cranberries is a special ingredient. Romans 1:16, for I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God unto salvation, to everyone that believeth, to the Jew first, and also to the Greek. Amen. So our dried cranberries, guess what? There's a fun fact today. Dried cranberries can prevent tooth decay. I bet you didn't know that. It possesses such anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant that prevents bacterial growth, such as E. coli, also in the urinary tract. Okay, so it also helps to prevent UTI. Studies upon studies have been done on this. Next, we're going to be adding our nuts. I used almonds and cashew nuts. Now, did you know that eating as low or as little as 6 pieces of almonds just before you go to bed can help you have a peaceful sleep and make you waking up feeling like you slept like a baby? So we're going to be crushing them into big chunks, and then we're going to combine them. You can also use whatever nuts that you prefer. There are pecans, peanuts, but I feel like most of my recipes contain cashew nuts and almond nuts because they have amazing health benefits. Next, we're going to be adding some dates. I use quite a few pieces of dates. Remember, we're using dried cranberries, dried raisins, and dates as well. These are gonna provide the sugar contents that we're gonna have in our granola bar, because we are not gonna add any sugar whatsoever. So this is an energy bar. It's supposed to give you energy, and the energy is going to be derived, of course, from the naturally occurring sugars in these dried fruits. So I'm just slicing the dates into medium-sized chunks, and next I'm going to combine them with the rest of the dried ingredients in the bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 bananas. This helps to bind all the ingredients together. Remember, we're trying to achieve something that is well binded together, and something that you don't want to achieve something that scatters. We want everything to bind together and achieve a wholesome energy bar. So the banana is going to help me bind this. Instead of using butter or something else that is unhealthy, this banana is going to help us bind everything together. What is the healing ingredient of the day? Pepitas, also known as pumpkin seeds. These are amazing, guys. They have antioxidants like vitamin E, flavonoids, phenolic acids that help to protect against diseases and fight inflammation. They are packed with so many nutrients. They contain a whopping 8.6 grams of protein. They contain iron, zinc, magnesium. These properties help to lower the bad cholesterol, making it heart friendly. Okay, these seeds, the pumpkin seeds, they help to reduce the blood glucose level. They contain vitamin E, like I said earlier, and zinc, which is what actually improves the quality of spermatozoa and also increases reproductive performance in males. The antioxidant present in pepitas contribute to a healthy testosterone level. Guys, this is amazing. It's so amazing how God has, provided us with so much herbs, plants, seeds, nuts that can actually heal our bodies. Now, research has actually been done on these seeds, and if you want to have more knowledge about this, I would really encourage you to do more research and find out, if this is something that you're interested in, and if there's something that you're actually interested in using for your health. I would advise you to get more knowledge on this, but this is so amazing, guys. And also, remember I said something about almonds helping to promote sleep. The tryptophan and magnesium present in pepitas also help to promote sleep. This is amazing. This is not just an energy bar, guys. This is something that heals our bodies. No added sugar, energy derived from naturally occurring sugars in the dried fruit. We have oats, which is whole grain, helps to reduce blood cholesterol, helps to reduce blood sugar level. And guess what? Whole grain contains so much fiber. It also helps to prevent and can also treat constipation. Guys, this is amazing. Remember that our bananas are power fruits. They contain a high level of potassium, which is necessary and beneficial to a healthy heart conductivity. This is amazing, guys. So all my ingredients are combined, and this is a very important step where we're going to press everything down. Remember, we're trying to achieve a bar. We do not want a granola like a cereal or something scattered. We want everything wholesome and binding together in a bar. So make sure you press everything down until there's nothing left, no space left for you to press in. So this is a really important step. As you can see, I kept spinning the baking tray around just to make sure that I get all the edges round. So keep doing this until you until you feel like you have really achieved a binded product in the baking tray. Next, in a preheated oven, we're gonna allow this bake for about 30 minutes in 200 degrees Fahrenheit, after which we're going to put it in the freezer and allow everything to bind again, and then we're going to pop it out. And then next is to put our dark chocolate on it. Okay, this is dark chocolate. There is no added sugar in this at all. It is healthy and good for the heart as well. So I'm gonna be melting the chocolate just with some coconut oil, and then I'm gonna pop it in a microwave and let it melt. And then I'm going to spread it all over the granola bar. This is what it looks like. You can decide to create a pattern with this, or just spread it evenly like I did. It's totally up to you, and at this point you can have fun and do whatever you like. If this video has blessed you in any way, please don't forget to hit the like button, and of course subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or anything at all, please don't hesitate to type something in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't leave yet. We're gonna actually break this down and slice them into bars, just so it's easy for us to pack and share. You don't want to have the whole chunk in your fridge or something. I honestly cannot tell you how long this is going to last in your fridge, because it didn't last so long when I had it. As at the time of making this video, this whole bar was already gone. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's super healthy, guys. I really encourage you to take advantage of this recipe. Once again, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're able to watch this video this far. Of course, I'll continue to share healthy recipes that would improve our health and heal our bodies. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and God bless you. you.